Shri G. Kishan Reddy to move that the bill be passed.
I raise to move that the bill be passed.
Motion moved that the bill be passed. The question is that the bill be passed. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The bill is passed.
Delhi is a administrator appointed by the President of India under Article 239 and designated Lieutenant Governor under Article 239 AA of the Constitution of India. Executive powers of the Lieutenant Governor are different from the powers of the Governor of the states. Lieutenant Governor can refer matters wherever he disagrees with the views of the Council of Ministers to the President of India as per the Article 239 AA4 by Constitution. Delhi Assembly can make laws on all subjects in the state list and the concurrent list except public order, police and land. Powers of the government in city of Delhi as provided in the Constitution of India and the GNCTD Act 1991. Nothing is being attempted through this bill, today's bill, which is not as per the Constitution. हम Constitutions के खिलाफ नहीं तो GNCTD Act 1991 के खिलाफ एक लाइन भी नहीं है. मैं पूरा उदाहरण के साथ बताने वाला हूं. The proposed bill does not curtail in any manner any of the power enjoying the government of NCT Delhi, which is already provided in the Constitution of India. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के द्वारा जो अधिकार दिल्ली सरकार को है, एक अधिकार भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी सरकार, मोदी सरकार नहीं ले रही है. The bill is not providing any amendment to the Constitution of India. ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का भी कोई अमेंडमेंट नहीं कर रहे हैं. Proposed amendment are in tune with the Supreme Court judgments.
अब तक बहुत इस बिल पे चर्चा हुई और हमारे तरफ से सभी अपोजिशन पार्टी के नेताओं ने अपने विचार रखे. उधर से भी सभी अपने लोग अपने विचार इस सदन के सामने रखे. लेकिन ये अडीली सरकार जो हमने खामियां संविधान के तहत इस बिल में है, वो आपके सामने रखने के बावजूद भी वो उसको मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं है. ऐसे निर्णय के विरुद्ध में हम वॉकआउट करें.